Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to unplug a sink who is completely blocked out, you can see. Okay, it's an easy way to unplug a sink. Okay, so I have this bottle, this plastic bottle is completely full, and this paper. So I'm just going to yeah, I don't know how to say, but anyway. So I take the bottle and the paper around it, like that, and then I do it like very strong, and normally it works. Well, this thing can be done more than one time. Yeah, it's working a little bit.
Yeah, it works. It's unplugged, see?
Yeah.
But maybe you should give it another go just to be sure, eh? What do you think about that?
Yes, it's a great idea. I'll do that. Well, actually, it's working. As you can see, that's great. So this was an easy way to unplug your sink. Goodbye.